Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm showing you these hose hideaway boxes from Suncast. And they're different sizes, as you can tell, and this one over here actually has a much better system for reeling it. You can see it will actually move the reel and the guide at the same time, and so I didn't really know that before I bought both of these. I had bought the two different styles because one would match the shed really well, and so I wanted the hose that's on that side to match, and then the other one was going to match the wicker chairs and everything with the gazebo. So that's why I bought the two different styles, but you might definitely want to look and make sure you're getting the good hose reel on here. It's not a huge deal, but I'll show you how much easier it makes for winding these up. But we're going to go ahead and install these. They both install the same way, and they're pretty straightforward, but there are a few tips to give you. So we'll get to putting these together. Inside it has the adapter hose, and then also it's going to come with the manual and some stakes that would go into the ground if you're not on concrete. So you'll need a pair of cutters to get all these out. They're just zip tied in there. So just cut those out and set them aside. So the next thing we're going to do is take this hose. It's an adapter hose that goes into the side. And so it's important that you put this end in here first without connecting it to the house first, because you have to twist the entire hose in order for it to thread in here. So once you have that end tight, then you're going to come over to the hose spout, and you're going to use the normal adapter here with the ring to get it onto the hose spigot. Now you're going to take your garden hose and use that same ring adapter, and make sure that you go through this piece here, the slider. It has to go through that, or it's not going to be doing you any favors when you're using it as a guide. So it goes through that, and then it simply just screws on to the actual reel here. Now at this point, it's good to turn the water supply on and check for any leaks, because you definitely don't want it leaking when it's all the way reeled up. And check on each side here where we've attached it. So now for reeling it up, it takes a little bit of effort. You got to hold this whole box still, and then you're using this slider and also your leg pretty much to kind of get it started. And so I've sped up this footage just a little bit, and for the first initial one you have to be really careful with it, and then it reels okay on its own. But it just depends on how long your hose is. If you have a very long hose, you're going to want to make sure that it's very tight so you don't run out of space. But this one seemed to do okay. Now, what I really liked about this other model, the bigger one, is it had a place for you to actually put your foot down. That's also probably where you would tie it down. But that really helps. And so as you can see here, as we're reeling this one, it also takes a little bit of effort to kind of guide it as it gets started. And there's also a little pull tab on the slider that you'll see here in just a second. And if it's kind of out of sync, you just pull up on it and then slide it, and it allows you to move its position over, which is really nice. But you're checking for kinks too as you're putting it away, so that the water always comes on full. But this one seemed to work a lot better with the help of the smart slider system thing. And so as you can see, it really, I was able just to reel it up, and it would do it pretty much all on its own. So that's how easy it is to install these hose hideaways. I think they're a nice touch for the yard to help keep everything clean. It also protects the hose from getting sun faded and worn out. And so again, I just went with the different styles to match different parts of the yard. But I would look as you're purchasing these to get the ones with that smart reel system. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please check the video description. I'll put a playlist to all of my home improvement things, such as installing the gazebo, the shed, the epoxy floor, and some other fun things. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thanks, guys.